Hello guys, we are
Hi,
here
guys.
from Cosmo Realty. We'll show you amazing, fantastic, beautiful, up-to-the-date property at
5701 North Bay Road in beautiful Miami Beach. We have 4-bed, 4-bath, half bath, just around 3,200 square feet.
That was Erica, and let her show this property. Let's go. What do we know about this neighborhood? It's Miami Beach, what else?
Yeah, it's in the beautiful LaGorce subdivision. So we have golf clubs, really quiet, very residential, get you a little more peaceful side of the beach, but with great proximity to beach days, wonderful restaurants, and nightlife.
Do you know how far it's from the beach?
Just that building.
Oh, let's see it.
The big white building with like the M's at the top, that's the beach.
So we were talking about Miami Beach, and the great thing about this house is its proximity to the beach and the various tourist destinations of Miami Beach. If you want to buy tea, nice little swim, it's all very accessible in this neighborhood, in this area. And of course you have this beautiful 3,600 square foot home right here. It just hit the market. I don't expect it to last long. It has a beautiful pool, backyard, and a very large shower, which doubles as a
Steam shower.
So, my name is Brett Cafferty, and I'm with Cosmore Real Estate Group. How far is this house from the airport?
The Miami airport is around, depending on traffic, probably 25 minutes to an hour, depending on time of day. You also have Fort Lauderdale, not too far off, 40 minutes to an hour away, depending on traffic.
What?
Downtown Brickell, again, depending on beach traffic from the bridges, probably about 20-30 minutes, and then in high traffic times, around an hour.
Is it easy to get to South Beach?
Absolutely.
Oh, what is this neighborhood called?
So it's LaGorce Golf Subdivision. So you're in a beautiful, more secluded area of the beach that's a little bit quieter. So you're stone's throw from all of the action, restaurants, nightlife, but your day-to-day is a little bit more quiet and residential.
What if people want to go to Wynwood?
Wynwood?
Wynwood is about a 15-minute drive on a good hour and about a 45-minute drive on a bad hour. So it's fairly close to the action if you want to drop into Wynwood, although as always it's advised to plan ahead due to traffic. Logistics of the home are great. You are very close to all the ideal places. Everything is very accessible, but you also get a bit of tranquility and quietness if you want to have a calmer. Give us a call today, message us, we're here to help. We can help you on this tour, guide you through the real estate process, and you can move in as soon as you need. If you like it, either DM this page, talk to Michael, or give a call to the number on the screen and we'll reach out and touch base with you.